Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide application into a Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your settings and in search of our settings write hidden apps, this one. Now from the list of our application, choose something what you wanna hide. For example, I wanna hide booking. Okay, here we got message how to find this spirit two fingers apart on the home screen to view hidden apps. Tap got it. Choose booking, for example driver, and maybe Facebook. Okay, now go to our home screen and do this apart two fingers. And here we got all our hidden apps. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.